I'm about to show you how you can see the blocked user list on Discord Mobile. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is open Discord on your mobile and go at the bottom right of the screen to your profile picture. And this, by going to the top right to this icon, this will open the settings. So you just need to go to content and social and scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see two different lists, one for the blocked accounts and another one for the ignored accounts. So if I go back, I'm gonna block someone real quick. So if I go here and block this person, for example, I can go back to the settings, and if I go to content and social, here you will see that it's working fine, and you will see the list of all your blocked accounts and you can unblock them right here. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.